everyone, my name is FIRDATUL ASYIKIN binti NORUL AZLAN and my matrix number is 20238153446.
Hi, my name is NABILA. My matrix number 20236113006.
Hi, my name is AMIRA SYAFIZA binti ZAKRI and my matrix number is 2023X64376.
Hi, my name is HANAN binti TARMIZI. My matrix number is 2023A6728.
Before that, what is geometry? Geometry is the study of the characteristic, measurement, and connection of points, lines, angles, surface, and solids. Also, geometry is the apex of abstract logical thinking where every result can be proven. Most important aspect in learning geometry is the ability to produce accurate drawings.
Krispy Kreme is best known for their fresh, glazed, and yeast rice donut. On July 13, 1937, Krispy Kreme opened doors to all their customers and started their journey. On 1955, the Krispy Kreme bow tie logo is trademarked with the familiar green and red coloring. In 1989, they opened their first retail store on High Point Road in Greensboro, North Carolina. While in 1992, the hot donut now light was developed. Then in 2009, Krispy Kreme opened their first retail store in Berjaya Times Square, Kuala Lumpur, and it was a hit. In 2011, Krispy Kreme released their new product, and it is coffee. While in 2012, they celebrated the 500th international location in Aguascalientes, Mexico. Since opening their first international location in 2001, they have expanded into 21 international markets. And lastly, in 2015, Krispy Kreme finally opened their 10th Malaysian store at Pantai Medical Center. First thing first, what is in Krispy Kreme donut? Okay, it has wheat, eggs, milk, and soy. Sometimes it may contain peanuts and tree nuts, lupin, and sulfites. Who founded Krispy Kreme? Krispy Kreme was founded by Vernon Rudolph in 1915 until 1973. He bought a yeast race recipe from New Orleans chef. Who is the CEO of the Krispy Kreme? The CEO of Krispy Kreme is Josh Charlesworth. He has served as their president and chief executive officer since January 2024. He joined the company as their chief financial officer in May 2017.
Application of geometry in Krispy Kreme. Problem statement. Ali throws a birthday party for his mom. He wants to buy some donuts for the party, but he don't want to waste any of it. So, for each guest, they will get 2 donuts. The total of guests that has been invited are 50 people. Question 1. Calculate the total surface area and the total volume for all the donuts. Second, if one donut costs RM3.80, how many donuts can he get it? His budget is RM400. State if the donut is enough for guests or not.
So I'm gonna talk about calculation of donut. We're gonna use the formula of cylinder. The diameter of donut is 8.5 cm and the height of the donut is 3.5 cm, while the diameter of the hole in the middle of the donut is 2 cm. So first we're gonna find the volume of donut. We're gonna use the formula of V equals to pi r square h. For the radius, we're gonna take the diameter, which is 8.5, we divide by 2, and then we're gonna get the radius, while the height is 3.5. and we're gonna minus with the hole in the middle of the donut, which is pi, times with its radius, which is the diameter is 2. We divide by 2 to get the radius, and then we times with the height. We're gonna get the volume of the donut is 198.6076. We minus with the hole in the middle of the donut, which is 10.9956 centimeter cube. After we minus, we got the actual volume of donut, which is 187.612 centimeter cube. So next, we're gonna find the total donut for one person, which is one person gonna eat 2 donuts. So we're gonna take the volume of one donut, we times with 2, and we get 375.224 centimeter cube. And we're gonna total up for 50 people, which is the volume for one person, and we times with 50 people. So we're gonna get 375.224, we times with 50, and we're gonna get 18761.2 centimeter cube. Next, we're gonna find for the surface area of one donut. So we're gonna use the formula of S equals 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square. So for the surface of donut, we're gonna minus with the surface of the hole in the middle of the donut. So first, surface for the donut is pi times with its radius, which is 8.5 divided by 2, and times with its height, which is 3.5, and then we're gonna plus with 2 pi times its radius square. The radius is 8.5 divided by 2, and then we're gonna minus with the surface for the hole in the middle of the donut, which is pi times with its radius, which is 2 divided by 2, and times with its height, 3.5, and then we're gonna plus with 2 pi divided by its r square, which is its r is 2 divided by 2, and then we're gonna get that surface area for one donut is 51 pi. We minus with its whole 11 over 2 pi, and we're gonna get the surface area of the donut is 91 over 2 pi, or equals to 142.9425 centimeter square. So we're gonna find the surface area donut for one person, which is one person gonna get 2 donuts, which is we take the one area of one donut, we times by 2, which is 91 over 2 pi, we times by 2, and then we're gonna get 91 pi, or equals to 285.8849 centimeter square. Next, we're gonna find out how much is the surface area of the donut for 50 people. We're gonna take the one person just now, we times with 50. So we got 91 pi times by 50, which is we got 4,550 pi, or equals to 14294.2466 centimeter square. So now we're gonna calculate for the cost of the donut. So one donut is 3 ringgit and 80 cents. So for one person, we're gonna take the 3 ringgit 80 cents times by 2, which is 7 ringgit 60 cents. And for a total of 50 people, we're gonna times by 50, which is 7 ringgit 60 cents times by 50, we're gonna get 380 ringgit. So if he has budget of 400, how much donuts can he buy? So we're gonna take his budget, which is 400, and divide by the price of the donut, which is 3 ringgit and 80 cents. So we're gonna get 105.2632. So here is equivalent to 105. So he can buy 105 donut, which is enough for him to buy the donuts for all the guests.
Started its humble beginning at a little shop in China, making soy sauce out of Jiangzhou, Fujian province. In 1900, Mr. Yeo Keng Lian and his family uprooted the business from China and brought it across to Nanyang in the 1930s. They bring the best soy sauce to the consumer for business, and it quickly flourished. At a short time, the product became a household item, and many Singaporeans must have in their daily cooking. Yeo Hiap Seng expanded into more diversified food and beverage products under the Yeo's brand. The traditional soybean milk, a favorite among the locals. In the later years, the company also widened its good range from chili sauce, culinary sauce, sesame oil into instant noodles.
Application of geometry in Yours company. Problem statement. Husna is a businesswoman whose owner a yacht company. One day, she got an order from other state. The person bought 250 box water of yours. Husna wants to shift that orders. First, calculate the total surface area and the total volume for the yacht's drinking water. Second, calculate the length of the box that can fit all the yacht's drinking water and the box surface area. And calculate the cost that customer needs to pay to Husna. Let me move at the calculation. First, calculate the volume of 1 yacht's drinking water. 3.5 times 5 times 13 equal to 70.5 times 5, and we got 227.5 cm3. Total volume of 250 yachts drinking water is 227.5 times 250, and we got 56,875 cm3. For surface area of 1 yacht's drinking water is 2 times 3.5 times 5 plus 3.5 plus 3.5 plus 5 plus 5 and times 13 equal to 17.5 plus 17 times 13 equal to 35 plus 221, and we got 256 cm square. Surface area for 250 yachts drinking water is 256 cm square times 250, and we got 64,000 cm square. For the given that height of the box 3 times the height of the yacht's drinking water, height box equal to 3 times 13, and we got 36, and we got 39 cm. Length of the box 56,875 equal to x times 39, and we got 56,875 equal to 39x square. X square equal to 4,375 divided 3, and x we got 38.1881. For surface box is 2 times 38.1881 times 38.1881 times 38.1881 times 4 and times 30, and we got 2 times 1,458.3309 plus 152.7524 times 30 equal to 2,960.9918 plus 1,985.7812, and equal to 4,602.443 cm3. For the box price is equal to Rm 0.20 per cm. The cost for 250 yachts drinking water equal 2 times 250, and we got Rm 500. Total cost for box equal to 0.02 times 4,602.443 equal to Rm 98.05. Total the cost she need to pay to Husna equal to 500 plus 98.05 equal to Rm 598.05.
In conclusion, as we all know, all conditions on this earth are strongly tied to geometry and calculation, whether it is money or construction. So don't think that this calculation is difficult, because without us realizing, we actually have used to it as part of our daily life. Bye!